fertilizes the flowers, then their petals fall. Tiny green fruitlets form. No apple will grow there the next year.
Good morning. Okay, I'm headed over to the library to pick up some books for our nature walk today. I found some leaf identification pages, and we're gonna go on a nature walk and see if we can find some, some of the leaves that are listed. They're going to collect whatever they find, and then we are going to have a snack at the park and just sort through whatever they find on our walk today. So I was going to try to film some of it for our homeschool channel, so Brian is coming along with me. I'm just headed over to the library to pick up a couple of fall books. We went over to the library the other day and got some books for our solar system study, but I forgot to pick up some books, a couple of like fall themed books for our nature walk today, and that's basically it. All like fall books, and now I'm off to pick up the kids and go on our nature walk. Look at that, pretty.
Bear has a story to tell. Little red
Good. We're gonna start with fall apples though.
Fall apples, crisp and juice.
Good job.
Fertilizes the flowers, then their petals fall. Tiny green fruitlets form. During the summer, fruitlets grow into big
Apples.
Oh my
apples.
goodness, big apples.
Pickers harvest apples and pull and stem. No apple will grow there the next year if they pull off the spur that connects the stem.
We are halfway into our nature walk.
What's that?
And we got some good footage for our video and read a few books with the kids.
Whoa.
I'm out here with the camera. I feel like the hardest part is trying to juggle your cameras and your batteries and your memory cards. They're out here having a good time. Hi, baby. You sleepy?
Pick up your bike.
She's listening to worship music. Kendall, come here. Brian's out here practicing. He's trying to get his practice in, right, Brian?
I'm learning.
Oh, yay!
Yeah.
Look at this.
He found a top to the acorn, and we keep finding them separately. So, but they like to get some tops and get some bottoms, and I guess they want me to put them together. But we haven't really been successful at finding any of the leaves on our chart, but that's okay, right? Pretty. Nice. Trying to find some leaves that we can take back and identify. Oh. We found an acorn. Look at that one.
So I'm at the about to go into the barber shop, and Syreena tells me, you know, take the camera with you. She wanted me to say something. So we had a good day today. Went on a nature walk with the kids, basically out there. They're reading, looking for leaves, and their theme right now is fall. So they really enjoyed that. So that was a good time. Was happy and fortunate enough to really be able to see that and enjoy that with them. I'm still kind of on the job hunt, I suppose. It's been about 6-7 months now. Had a photo shoot last Saturday. I think over the next 3 weeks, 3-4 weeks, we have, I think 3 weeks, we have like 5 sessions booked already. Staying positive and really am enjoying the time with the kids, with Syreena. That's pretty much that. It's Sereena's birthday this weekend. So I need to, we had planned, months ago, back, before this whole thing had happened, with me losing my job, we had planned to go overseas, go leave the country for her birthday. Sereena's been wanting to go to Paris, so that was our goal. So we're not gonna be able to do that this weekend, obviously, but that's still on the agenda. So got some other things to do this weekend, but I'm still gonna have to come up with something. Syreena likes surprises. Syreena likes production and celebrations, so I'm gonna have to figure out something for her birthday. We'll have to figure that out. Vanna, what you doing? What? What's over there? Oh, you wanna go play?
Yeah.
Okay, can we play soccer first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go kick the ball. Let's go. Kendall? Come on, Kendall. Kick the ball to Savannah. There you go. Get it, Vanna. Kick it. Hey! Hey! Hey, girl. One, 2, 3, 4, go! Boom!
No children were allowed there.
Get it, Van.